Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Miui version and device model so you apply the right fix. This avoids mismatched themes. Once you know the build, enable developer options and USB debugging to allow advanced actions. Make a backup of themes app data or a full device backup before changing files because you need a restore point if something breaks. Now, gather any theme APKs or MTZ files and a file manager with root access or ADB ready so you can proceed safely. You now inspect the theme package, extract the MTZ or open the APK to check Android manifest, XML and resource folders. If assets like icons, fonts, or XML layouts are corrupt or missing, replace them with compatible versions matching your Miui resources. This prevents crashes. Once done, make sure file permissions are set correctly, for example RWRR, and that the package name matches expected values so Themes recognizes it. If using ADB, push the corrected files. You finish by clearing the theme's app cache and data, then reboot the device to ensure system services reload. This often resolves lingering detection issues. After reboot, reapply the theme from the Themes app or sideload the corrected APK or MTZ and verify icons, fonts, and layouts display properly. If the problem persists, restore your backup and collect logs with Logcat to pinpoint errors. Once you identify the log entries, repeat the asset fix and permission checks to resolve the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.